It is no secret, if you have developed something using JavaScript, you have got some surprise bugs when the applications are running. You might have spent hours and days to fix these. What if we get to know what are the errors beforehand? TypeScript gets you covered. TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript, meaning it is built on top of the JavaScript that we use normally. TypeScript is a statically typed language. Every variable that you declare must have a static type to it. Even if you do not assign a type, the type will be taken automatically from the initial value. And this type is maintained throughout the application and you cannot change it. If you are using a modern code editor, this will be highlighted as you type. The TypeScript that we write are not understood by the browsers. We need to compile them into plain JavaScript. This process is known as TypeScript transpilation. TypeScript also has some powerful features such as interfaces, classes, and generics. To know about them, keep us liked and subscribed.